lesson number 14 in Student 73 Tai Chi. This lesson today is pretty simple. It's called Carry Tiger Push Mountain, which is a lot longer name than the move is itself. First, let's review what you have so far. I know you are really starting to feel the chi in this form. It's not until you know a few movements that you really start to feel the magic of Tai Chi. In the process of learning it, when we're just trying to remember the movements, we don't feel the energy so much. But as we go along, we start to feel it more and more. So, get settled in your Wu Ji stance, toes to the corners, facing your 12 o'clock. Relax all your muscles with a few slow, conscious breaths in and out of the belly. Check your posture. And once you're ready, we'll begin. Centering the weight on the left foot, the right foot faces 12 as we go from Wu Ji into Tai Chi. The entire time we practice, the head stays upright with the eyes kind of on the horizon line. Leisurely Tai Coat, sometimes we want to watch the hands move, but ideally we're not watching anything. We're simply looking towards 3 as we move to 3. We're looking towards 12 as we move towards 12 in our open and close. Single whip left. Tiny step to 12. Open the palms to face 12 as you push. The right fingers point down. The hand is just below the navel. The hand rises up to the chest, faces forward just above the shoulder, then drops down to the chest even with the left hand. For white crane, flashes wings. A conscious breath in, opening chi in hand, and out, condensing that energy. Brush knee left. Open the left leg. Step down to 9 in a left bow stance. Brush knee with a follow step. Play the lute. Both palms face in. Shift the hand, left hand extending, left toe up, face 9, touch the toe. And then intercept, deflect, parry, and punch. Step with the right foot to 10:30, flipping hands. Shift weight, parry, left hand forward. Step to 9 with the left foot as both hands make fist and punch to 9. Open the fists and step back in, appearing to block and close. And that's where we ended our last lesson. The next move is so simple, let's just do it. A little step on the heel to 9, shift weight and push, an uprooting push to 9. That's it. That's the move. It's so simple. After our appearing to block and close, we're here in the cat stance, right? With the toe up, facing 9 o'clock. We push, put the heel down, our hands arc down and up, and the right foot follows, aligning in line with the left heel for our pretty good follow step. Yeah, that's it. It's just that simple. Let's go over it. In fact, let's go through this kind of complicated sequence after brush knee and add in the next move, the carry tiger push mountain. So from here, play the lute, right hand in front, shift the weight, bring the right hand back, face 9 on the toes. And then heel, shift weight, extend right hand, Touch the heel as we step with the right foot. Flip the hand, shift weight, carry left hand forward. Step to 9 as we make fists. Step into the punch. Appearing to block and close. Open the hands, facing 10-30, facing 9. Step to 9, the hands kind of arc down and up, just like in the single whip. Remember, in the single whip, we have that, once we have our step, the palms open, they go down and up. It's the exact same uprooting push in our carry tiger push mountain. Let's do that sequence again. After the brush knee left, we're facing 9. Right foot back, shift the hand position, so left hand's in front, face 9, touch the toe. Then, left toe to 7-30, shift weight, extend the right hand forward, right foot steps kind of facing 10-30 as hands flip, shift weight, extend the left hand from underneath to 9, left toe points to 9 as we step while making fists, punch, tiny step in, appearing to block and close, open hands, weights on the right foot, left toes up, hands are at the chest, facing 9, and then carry tiger push mountain, step, shift weight, give an uprooting push. I think one of the hardest parts about this move is in the follow step, you want to make it so that your right heel is in line with your left heel, because then we come back to face the front in our open and close. Let's practice that a couple times. We're here in our appearing to block and close. So we step with the left foot, shift weight. Now bring the right foot in the follow step into such a position that the right heel, you might have to look, is kind of in line with your left heel, with the right toe facing 12. Once your right foot's flat, after we do the push, we come back here to open and close. So that's why we want to be able to pivot on that left foot. In fact, let's go ahead and add that into the lesson, because there's not much to this lesson. Here, after our appearing to block and close, carry tiger push mountain, step with the left heel, shift weight, push to 9. Now align your right foot so that the feet are in position. You have about shoulder width, right toe to 12. Shift the weight to the right foot and turn, pivoting on the left heel so that now you come back shoulder width or approximately facing 12 o'clock, because the next two moves are open and close. You already know them. That's why I'm adding it in. So here, after the punch towards 9, open the fist, step back, appearing to block and close, ends here in the cat stance, then carry tiger, push mountain, align the right follow step so that you can plant the right foot, give it your weight and pivot on the left heel so that you have shoulder width facing 12 o'clock for a conscious breath in as hands open and out as hands close. So that's actually 3 movements, right? The carry tiger push mountain is 1 movement, open is 1 movement, and close is 1 movement. Let's do it again. So we have our punch, appearing to block and close, open the fist, belly faces about 10-30 as left toes are up, belly faces 9 as we touch the toes. Step on the heel, roll the foot flat, and uprooting push towards 9. Align the right heel, right toe to 12, shift the weight to the right foot, pivoting on the left heel, back to face the front, palm facing palm for open and close. I'm going to show you how I get back there facing this direction so that you can actually see what I'm doing. So punch, step back, appearing to block and close, step with the left heel towards 9, push the mountain, align the right heel. So as I turn to 12, weight on right foot, right hand comes with me, left hand comes in with the left foot pivoting, facing my 12 o'clock for another open and close, right? So remember, in open and close, the fingers point up, palms face each other. We don't turn the palms out. They just separate and come back together when we breathe in and out. You're doing great. Let's put it all together now. Up to the open and close. So I think that's 15 or 16 movements. You are moving right along. Let's add it all in together. And then if you want, you can come back and replay this video until you feel comfortable enough to move on to the next lesson. So in Wu Ji, check your posture, relax, but activate your muscles so that you don't fall on the ground. We don't want to be so relaxed or limp. We want our muscles to be active, but not fully engaged. And then in that awareness, we move from Wu Ji to Tai Chi. Right toes to 12. Hands rise, pointing at 10:30 through the entire movement till we come into leisurely Tai Coat, and then the fingers change what they're doing. Turn the right toes, but don't let the hands keep moving. Once the waist stops turning to the right, bring it right back to step to 3. Turning to face 12, pivoting on the right heel, coming back for a conscious breath in our open and close, and then single whip left. Float the heel down, open the palms, uprooting push, turn the waist. So your whole body should be facing 130 or 2, and then whole body facing 12 for lifting hands, and for white crane flashes wings. Palm facing palm at the chest for open and close. And then brush knee left. Empty the left foot, open the right hand. Hands separate. Left hand below the navel as we step to 9 in our brush knee and follow step. Playing the lute. Right hand in front, both palms face in, hands change position as we face 10:30 and then 9 o'clock. Left toes to 7:30, left palm down, shift weight, extending the right hand from underneath. We're stepping towards 9, but the right toes are facing 10:30, and then shift weight, extend the left hand to 9. Both hands make fists as we step towards 9 to punch over the left elbow or left forearm. Step back, appearing to block and close. We are facing about 10:30, and then 9 in the cat stance. Step down on the heel for carry tiger, push mountain. Align the right heel with the left, stand on the right to pivot on the left heel, palm facing palm. Once we face 12 with even weight, breathe in, open hands, breathe out, close hands. And from there, just lower the hands down. Take a few breaths. And now, raise your right hand, bend it over your back, give yourself a pat on the back. That's right, you're doing a good job. Well done. I look forward to coming back and sharing the next lesson with you, which is kind of something you already know. It's brush knee, but this time we do it in the other direction. So it's kind of a new twist on a piece you've already learned in the form. I look forward to practicing it with you, but not until you learn this lesson really thoroughly. Then we integrate new.